What's going on, everyone? I am in Malibu with the 2025 Toyota Camry. Apologies if you can't hear me all that well. It's pretty loud in here because, as you can imagine, this is a big event because this is a big deal. The Camry doesn't get redesigned every day, you know, and it is one of the best-selling vehicles in the United States. And this is the all-new 2025 version of the Toyota Camry. And we just found out that it's going to be all hybridized, all electrified. But that's not necessarily a bad thing. What we want to know is, can it hold on to its crown as one of the greatest sedans on sale today, especially in light of the fact that the new Honda Accord is a very good sedan. So let's take a quick walk around the 2025 Toyota Camry, and you tell me in the comments what you think. All right, first things first, let's take a look at the styling here of the Toyota Camry. I like the front end. I like the new hammerhead design. I think Toyota's new design language is pretty cool. I do think they're playing it pretty safe here, though. If you look at some of these shots, and I'll include some of mine along with some of Toyota's, the Camry definitely looks like the current Camry that's on sale today, especially in silhouette. And the rear end doesn't look all that different. It's definitely an improvement. It's a tightening, it's a sculpting, it's an enhancing, but it's not completely different. The front end is where you see the most difference. But I do think in XSE trim and that sportier trim, it looks pretty good. They showed us one in red, that kind of like bright red color. I'll put some of the names on screen. I can't be bothered with them right now. But the red and black combo, I mean, you know how I feel about that. Go Dogs. The red and black combo definitely is a looker. What do you think of the Camry's new sheet metal? Now, this is an area where the Camry looks like a big improvement over the current gen. This interior is definitely a step up in sort of style and layout. It looks really nice. And as you can see, I can fit just fine. I did a quick seat adjustment, and of course, you know I'm going to sit behind myself to see if I can. I'm 6'6". If you're a new viewer and you stumbled across this channel, hello, welcome. If you want to see tall people and a tall family fit into family cars, this is the right place for you. You're in the right channel. But the new layout, the digital gauge cluster, you got dual 12.3-inch screens in the top trims here. Got the big pano roof. Like the new layout feels nice. It definitely feels like a step up. I did not like the materials and the layout of the current Camry. This new 2025 Toyota Camry feels like a big improvement. So you know I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna sit behind myself because that's what I do. And I can sit behind myself, so that's a win for the Camry. The Camry and the Accord, both excellent in that department. I don't have official numbers or specs. They'll probably save that for the first drive reviews, but you can see that the interior of the Camry is just as roomy as you'd expect the Camry to be. And full disclosure, in the current gen Camry, I could barely fit behind myself. This one, I feel like maybe I have a little bit of extra knee room. That's appreciated. So what is underneath the hood of the new 2025 Toyota Camry? 2.5 liter 4-cylinder, electric motors, and in the all-wheel drive version, you got electric all-wheel drive, meaning they put an electric motor on the rear axle, and that drives the rear wheels. So you get all-wheel drive, 232 horsepower maxed out with the all-wheel drive, a little bit less, like 227 if you're in front-wheel drive. Now, of course, the question you're asking, the question I'm asking, the question that everybody here is asking is, will there be a higher output version of the Toyota Camry? And most everybody from Toyota is remaining pretty quiet on that subject, but guys, come on. Virtually the higher output version of this powertrain, the Lexus RX, makes like 366 horsepower. And I'm telling you, a hot version of this, maybe a GR version of this, a GR Camry with electric all-wheel drive, 366 horsepower. I mean, hello, Toyota, I'm doing your job for you over here. So guys, what do you think of the new 2025 Toyota Camry? What do you think about the way it looks? What do you think about the way the interior looks? What do you think about the powertrain? What do you think about everything? The Toyota Camry has a reputation for being one of the best-selling and best all-around vehicles that you can buy. And with cars rapidly kind of, falling out of favor with consumers, it's important for the Camry and the Accord and these vehicles to carry the torch for people like me. I love cars. I love sedans. I would rather drive something like this than an SUV. So let me know what you think. Is the Camry doing enough? Is this what you thought the Toyota Camry would be like? Let me know pros, let me know cons. I want to hear from from you in the comments. I like what I've seen so far. I can't wait to get behind the wheel, and I can't wait to pester all the people from Toyota about a hotter version of the Toyota Camry, all right? But until then, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you ring the bell, make sure you do all of the good things, and I'll see you in the next video. Unfortunately, probably not from Malibu. Or will it be?